Welcome to Colorful Cute Kids channel.
Hello everyone, and welcome to the Colorful Cute Kids channel. In this video, I'll show you how to draw and color all the characters from Paw Patrol Easy Part 2. In Part 2, we'll draw the other 4 characters. They are Ryder, Rubble, Rocky, and Zuma. Let's get started. We'll begin with Ryder. Start by drawing his eyes. Then draw his nose, mouth, and face. He has a big, happy smile. Next, draw his ears and his hair. His hair is slicked back, and he looks super cool. Right next to Ryder, we'll draw Rubble. Begin with his eyes. Right next to Ryder, we'll draw Rubble. Begin with his eyes. Next, draw his face. Then add his rescue helmet. And finally, draw his ears. And finally, draw his ears. I colored his ears, face, and eyes with brown. Then, I filled in the rest of Rubble's face with a light peach color. Lastly, I painted the logo on his helmet with dark blue. Now let's color Ryder. I used brown for his hair and eyes. Finally, I used a light peach color for Ryder's skin. Finally, I used a light peach color for Ryder's skin. Then draw his nose and his smiling mouth. On top of his head, draw his rescue team hat. Now draw his face. Then draw his ears. And finally, draw the logo on his hat to finish Rocky's drawing. Now it's time to draw the last character from Paw Patrol, Zuma. Start with his eyes. Then draw his nose and happy mouth. Then draw his nose and happy mouth. Last, draw his lifeguard helmet. Let's color together. I want to say sorry, kids. I forgot to turn on the camera well. I was coloring Rocky, so I can't show you step by step this time. But don't worry, please take a look at the finished picture I made of Rocky to help you color him. Now I'll show you how to color Zuma. Coloring Zuma is super easy. We only need two colors, brown and orange. I colored his helmet orange. Then I used brown for Zuma's eyes, ears, and face. job, everyone! If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Goodbye.